Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to Crypto Talk, the go-to destination for everything crypto. I'm Aziza, your guide through the thrilling world of digital currencies and blockchain technology. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this channel is tailored for everyone intrigued by the revolutionary potential of cryptocurrencies. We're here to demystify the complexities, explore market trends, and share insights that empower you in your crypto journey. From the latest market analyses to breaking news and educational deep dives, we've got it all covered. Join our growing community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about the future of finance. Expect engaging discussions, interviews with industry experts, and step-by-step tutorials to enhance your crypto knowledge. Don't miss out on market updates, project reviews, and, of course, some exciting surprises along the way. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey into the crypto cosmos, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's explore the future of finance together. Welcome to Crypto Talk, where crypto comes to life.